Hi guys, and it's a beautiful sunny day, one of the few that we've had this summer in 2024. It's certainly not been the best of years, so we are going to start the day by having a bit of a harvest of our fruit trees. Gonna make some chili jam, I think, or maybe a chili dipping sauce. We'll work it out as we get there. So yeah, come and join us. We're going to go and grab the last of the fruit. The birds have taken most of it, which is fair. They need to eat. We'll take the rest. We have plum trees in our garden. These red leaf trees are plum trees, the greeny red ones there. But this is the other type of plum tree, this green leaf one. And we have plums. So I'm going to pick some of these before the birds have them. And nice juicy plums. These big trees here, the red leaf ones, they had literally tens of thousands of plums on them last weekend. We didn't get around to picking them, and the birds have picked them clean. So let's harvest some plums. One of these bad boys, and you're coming with me. Yummy, yummy. That one's not quite ready, nor is that. These ones are lovely. Get in my tummy. Let's see, we'll have you. As you can see, there's quite a few of these that just aren't quite ripe. Still a bit red and yellow. So we'll have to wait and hope the birds don't get them before we do. So this is a really interesting tree. It's basically one of the red leaf trees. But if you look, there's green leaves here, and somewhere in the middle, the green leaf tree from the other side has grafted itself up here somewhere. And it kind of starts here. And it's grafted itself onto this other tree. So now we have the two types of plum trees growing as one. And we have a pretty good harvest on the green tree. Lots of plums here, which are ready for the picking. And are going to go into our pot. So there were tens of thousands on the big red leaf tree. But let's have you while I'm looking at you. Yeah, they've fallen foul to the birds, which is fine. Birds have to eat. There's our harvest. There's loads, thousands left on the tree. We're going to make these into probably one jar, because there's not really enough to make lots. Probably a jar of jam, maybe a jar of hoisin. We'll work it out in a bit. So I'm in the utility room, which is a mess. I do apologise. Time to give our harvest a bit of a wash. It's a bit hot. Leave that to soak for a few minutes. Now you should be nice and cleaned off for the moment. Drain them off and leave them just to drip dry, and then decide what we're going to do with them. Shiny at the moment, I have to admit. They're clean, they're fruit shaped and full of stones, so I've got to take the stones out. Just about the most boring job on earth. 1. I'm going to go on to time lapse. We've got lots of plums that have been destoned now from our tree. We have red wine vinegar, Chinese 5-spice, soy sauce, chili flakes, more ginger than I know what to do with, and a recipe from the internet that we've modified. Oh, and really important, these are from our garden. These are fresh wild mint that we literally picked by my hand 2 minutes ago. We're going to make a chili dipping sauce. So no idea if it'll work. Going to do it in the pressure cooker. So I'm just going to work it out because I've got way more plums than the recipe says. So yeah.
He forgot the sugar.
I forgot the brown sugar. And we're back with more sugar. And the reason that's going in there, this recipe says save for later. You can never have enough sugar. So that's going in there. Right. Sugar. Done. Now because this is going in a pressure cooker, it needs liquid. So my liquid of choice is some red wine vinegar and dark soy sauce, and that is an awful lot of soy sauce, so I might put a bit of water in as well. So chili flakes, dried chili powder, 5 teaspoons of them. So I have 1, 2, 3 in that. 1, 2, and 1 for luck in there for later. Let's make it a bit chilly. Another 1 for luck while we're there. The next bit we want is 4 teaspoons of dried ginger. 1, 2, these are big teaspoons, 3, 4 man-sized teaspoons, and a bit. Never have it too chilly. That teaspoon. Salt and 5-spice. Teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice stuff is strong. And a CD. Doubling up because we've got twice as many plums as the recipe says. Right, and some mint. Don't know how much mint to put in, so we'll put some. Let's make it really minty. I like mint. Right, I think that's ready to go, don't you?
Give it a go.
Let's put it in the pressure cooker. They're all in there, ready to go. Pressure's on. We'll want pressure cook for 5 minutes it says, so I'm going to do it for 10 because there's twice as much. Don't keep warm on. Go! Do magic stuff. We'll come back in, I don't know, half an hour or so because I have to let it vent. Well, it smells good. Next step. Oh my goodness, that smells fantastic.
He is the man who raises the bar, who raises the stats, who takes things to stratospheric levels, and he's only got 3 corners now. He can see the crowd standing and giving him that round of applause. He is ready to kickstart the celebrations. 8 times we've said it before. Here's a 9th for you. Lewis Hamilton wins the British Grand Prix. What a victory! Hamilton is back.
Superb. What a superb drive.
That's sauteing off nicely. It's thickening up, so I'm going to leave that for 10 minutes. And I'm going for a swim. So the weather's lovely. Grab the towel and we'll get out there for a swim. We're making chili sauce, so it should be chili. Best way to make any sauce, let it make itself. Finished my swim, dodged the washing. Oh, Helen's still in there somewhere. Doggy's down there. Time to go and finish off the plum sauce. Pot's off, it's nice and thick. Next job. Inside the oven we've got some stuff that's been sterilising. We're going to pop it all in there, hopefully without burning my hands off. This could be fun. It is very, very hot, and they're even hotter. So, ow! Let's beat that bit. Damn, that's hot.
No, don't do it like that then, you'll burn yourself. Bit more.
I have to leave an air gap, I know that.
No, you have to not leave an air gap.
I thought you had to, so you turn it upside down.
No.
Why do you women make life difficult? You say one thing,
Stop.
you do another. No shit, Sherlock. Right, ow, hot.
You could use a tea towel.
No, I couldn't, I've dropped it.
That's fine.
Very hot. This is really enough for this
Last
one.
one. Pop it in anyway. Oh. No. Oh well.
I might just put it in the fridge for later. Hang on, we can have a scrape round. Bear with me. I have to do this way because I'm right-handed. Dog wants some. She'll like this because it's really spicy.
Quality control there.
Chaser.
That's fine. Right, we need to get the lids on.
We do. Let's just scooch this round. Quite impressed because I hardly spilled any. Oh! Ouch! Eek. Really hot.
Now you turn them upside down. Except that one.
Now you tell me.
Turn the other ones upside down. Because that's what causes the vacuum. What
Creates the vacuum.
creates the vacuum when it cools down.
Very, very hot.
Well, they're meant to be.